Have you ever tried to open an important video file, and instead of playing normally, it shows an error, freezes, glitches, plays with no sound, or maybe it doesn't open at all? Maybe it's an MP4 file from your phone, a MOV file from your camera, a video from a drone, a dashcam clip, or even footage from an SD card that suddenly stopped working properly. That can be really frustrating, especially if the video is important and you don't have another copy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix corrupted video files using Stellar Repair for Video. I'll walk you through the process in a simple way, from adding the corrupted video, repairing it, previewing the result, and then saving the repaired file. I'll also show you what to do if the normal repair does not work and the software asks for advanced repair. I'll leave the link to Stellar Repair for Video in the description so you can open it and follow along. Before we repair the file, let's quickly talk about why this happens. A video file can become corrupted for many reasons. Maybe your camera battery died while recording. Maybe the file transfer was interrupted while moving the video from an SD card to your computer. Maybe the computer crashed during editing or exporting. Or maybe the storage device itself had an issue, like a damaged SD card, USB drive, external hard drive, or memory card. Sometimes the video file is still there, and the file size looks normal, but the file structure is damaged. For example, the video header, frames, audio data, or video movement information may not be readable properly. And when that happens, your media player may not know how to open the video. But before using any repair tool, there are a few simple things you should check first. First, try opening the video in another media player. Sometimes the video is not actually corrupted. It could just be a playback issue, a missing codec, or a media player that does not support that specific format properly. So you can try opening the file with another player, like VLC or another video player on your computer. Next, if the video is still on an SD card, USB drive, or external device, copy it to your computer first. Do not keep trying to play it directly from the SD card, especially if the card is slow, damaged, or disconnecting. Copy the file to your computer, then work from that copy. Also, make a backup copy of the corrupted video before doing anything else. This is important because you don't want to accidentally overwrite the only version you have. And finally, check the file size. If the video file is supposed to be a long recording, but the file size is extremely small, that may mean the video data was not saved properly. In that case, repair may be harder because some of the actual video data may be missing. But if the file has a normal size and it simply won't open or play correctly, then using a dedicated repair tool makes more sense. So now let's open Stellar Repair for Video and go through the repair process. Stellar Repair for Video is a desktop video repair tool that is made for corrupted, damaged, unplayable, freezing, choppy, or glitchy video files. It supports many common video formats, including MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, WMV, FLV, MTS, 3GP, and more. One useful thing is that it can repair multiple videos at the same time, so if you have more than one corrupted file, you don't have to repair them one by one. Another important thing is that the software does not modify your original corrupted file. It creates a repaired version, so your original file stays unchanged. And before saving the repaired video, you can preview the result inside the software. This is helpful because video repair is not something that can be guaranteed 100% every time. The final result depends on how badly the video is damaged, so the preview lets you check the result before saving. Now let's download and open the software. To get started, open the link in the description. This will take you to Stellar Repair for Video. From there, download the software and install it on your computer. The installation is very simple. You just run the setup file, follow the installation window, and then open the program when it's done. One thing to keep in mind, the demo version can be used to test the repair and preview the repaired files up to 20% of total video size. But to preview 100% of the video and save the repaired file, you may need to activate the software. So this is useful because you can first check if the repair result looks good before deciding to activate. Now once the software is open, you'll see the main interface, and this is where the repair process starts. First, click on Add Videos. Now choose the corrupted video file from your computer. This could be an MP4 file, a MOV file, or another supported format. After you select the file, it will appear inside the software. If you have more corrupted videos, you can add them as well. This is useful if you have several broken files from the same camera, phone, SD card, or folder. Before starting the repair, make sure the video you want to repair is selected. You can use the checkbox next to the file name. Once everything is ready, click Repair. After clicking Repair, Stellar will start analyzing and repairing the video file. This may take a little time depending on the size of the video and how damaged it is. For a small file, it can be quick. For a larger video or a file with more serious corruption, it may take longer. When the repair process finishes, the software will show the status of the file. If the status says completed, that means the normal repair process worked and the file is ready to preview. If the status says awaiting action, that means the file may be severely damaged and needs advanced repair. And if the status says aborted, that means the repair process was stopped before it finished. Most of the time, if the file is not too badly damaged, you want to see completed. Then you can preview the repaired video and check the result. Now click Preview next to the repaired video. The software will open a preview window so you can play the repaired file. At this point, check a few things. Make sure the video actually opens. Check if the movement looks normal. Listen to the audio if the video has sound. Also check if the video still freezes, glitches, skips, or goes out of sync. This preview is very important because not every corrupted file can be repaired perfectly. If only a small part of the file was damaged, the result may look very good. But if the video is severely damaged or important data is missing, the repair result can vary. So don't think of video repair as magic. It depends on the condition of the file. But if the preview looks good, then you can move to saving the repaired video. Before that, let's also look at what happens if the file needs advanced repair. Sometimes the normal repair may not be enough. If the video is severely corrupted, Stellar may show awaiting action. This means the software needs more information to repair the file properly. In this case, you can use Advanced Repair. Advanced Repair uses a sample video. A sample video is a working video recorded from the same device and in the same format as the corrupted file. For example, if the corrupted file came from your phone, the sample video should ideally be another working video from the same phone. If the corrupted file came from a camera or drone, the sample should be a working video from that same camera or drone. The sample video does not need to be the same length, and it does not need to have the same file size. It just needs to be a working video from the same device and the same format. To use Advanced Repair, click Advanced Repair. Then click Next. Now click Browse and choose the sample video from your computer. If you are repairing multiple files with the same format, you may also see an option to apply the same sample file to all files of the same format. After selecting the sample video, click Repair again. Now Stellar will use the sample file to better understand the structure of the corrupted video and try to repair it again. When the process finishes, preview the repaired result just like before. This advanced repair feature is useful because some corrupted files need more than a basic repair. The sample video helps the software rebuild the damaged file more accurately. Again, the result still depends on how damaged the original file is, but if you have a working sample video from the same device, this can improve the chances of a better repair. Once you preview the repaired video and you're happy with the result, you can save it. Select the repaired video, then click Save Repaired Files. Now choose where you want to save the file. You can save it at the original location, or choose a custom location on your computer. I recommend saving it in a new folder so you can easily separate the original corrupted file from the repaired version. Then click Save and wait for the process to finish. After the repaired file is saved, open it in your media player and check it again. If it plays correctly, then you now have a repaired copy of your video. And remember, the original corrupted file is not changed. Stellar saves a repaired version separately. Now, one more thing I want to mention is that Stellar also has an online video repair service. This is different from the desktop software. The online service lets you repair corrupted videos directly from your browser, without installing software. So if you're not on Windows or you're using another device or operating system, this can be useful. The basic process is similar. You upload the corrupted video, add a sample video if needed, repair the file, preview the result, and then download the repaired video. So if you just want a browser-based option, or you're using a device where you don't want to install anything, the online repair service can be a convenient choice. But for larger files, frequent repairs, batch repair, or videos you prefer to keep local on your computer, the desktop version may be the better option. Now let's quickly go over the pros and cons. The first pro is that the workflow is very simple. You add the video, click repair, preview the result, and then save the repaired file. The second pro is format support. It supports many common video formats, including MP4, MOV, AVI, MKV, and more. The third pro is batch repair. If you have more than one corrupted video, you can add multiple files and repair them together. The fourth pro is the preview feature. This is important because you can check the repaired result before saving. The fifth pro is advanced repair. If the normal repair is not enough, you can use a sample video from the same device to help repair more severely corrupted files. And another good point is that the software does not change your original corrupted video. It creates a repaired copy. Now for the cons. The first con is that repair is not guaranteed for every file. If the file is too badly damaged or important video data is missing, the result may not be perfect. The second con is that advanced repair needs a sample video. If you don't have another working video from the same device and format, that part may be harder to use. The third con is that the demo version may let you preview the repaired result up to 20% of total video size, but to preview 100% of the video and saving the repaired file requires activation. And finally, the desktop version is mainly for Windows, so if you're on another device or don't want to install software, the online repair service may be the better option. You can find the link to Stellar Repair for video in the description. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what type of video file you're trying to repair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.